Okay, today we're going to be working on this 2013 Honda Accord. What we're going to do is change the spark plug. And it's very easy. What we're going to do first is, of course, we need some tools. We need a ratchet, extension, the number 10. On the spark plug, either it's a number 14 or it's a 5/8. Either one on the spark plug. So right here, what we're gonna do first is take out this cover. Once this cover is off, you're gonna see the coil pack and spark plug. So you wanna change the coil pack too, you can change the coil pack at the same time. You can do both coil pack and spark plug, or just change the coil pack, whatever you need to do. So what you're gonna do is, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, losing it. So I'm losing it with my hand now. That's one of them. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Cover should come right out. There you go. Cover off. Make sure you don't lose all those bolts. And there you see the coil pack. And of course, underneath the coil pack is the spark plug. So here's the easy part. What you do is, it's a 10, also millimeter. So you can take this out and then unclip this coil pack. So what you do here is you push down right here. You hear that pop, and then you just pull it out. There you go. Then take out this number 10. Don't lose this. So that's out. Now, just grab the coil pack, twist it, pull it out. That's it. There go your spark plug inside. Like I said, it's either a 5/8 or a 14. And that's it. Your spark plug is out. Grab a new one, put it back in. Do the same thing to the rest of them. Just that simple.